is who and what belongs to whom? In this video, we'll break down the German pronouns and the possessive pronouns so you can express yourself clearly. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome to the first lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about Personalpronomen and the possessive pronomen. So we learn about personal pronouns and the possessive pronouns. We will start with the personal pronouns, the Personalpronomen. So let's see which they are in German. So, ich, du, er, sie, es. Wir, ihr, sie, and sie with an upper letter is the formal you. So if you are talking to someone you don't know that good or you want to be polite, you use this sie with an upper letter. So, ich, du, er, sie, and es are singular in German. Wir, ihr, sie are plural. And we also have different persons. So we have the first person, we have the second person, and we have the third person. So again, we have singular and plural. First persons are ich and wir. Second persons, if you talk to someone, this is the second person. This is du and ihr. And if you talk to someone about someone else, then this is the third person. So singular you have er, sie, es, and plural you have sie and the polite sie, the formal you, if you remember. So here with the sie written with an upper letter, it doesn't matter if you talk to one person or to many persons, a lot of persons, because you use sie, the third person plural. Now I'll show you examples with every pronoun. So with ich bin Francesca. Du bist ein Student. Er ist mein Bruder. Sie ist meine Schwester. Es ist ein Baby. So if you have a neutral word in German, so it means you have the article das, in this case das Baby, you will need to use the pronoun es. That's why es ist ein Baby. Wir lernen Deutsch. Ihr seid Eltern. Sie sind unsere Großeltern. Herr Müller, haben Sie Besuch? But what are pronouns? Pronouns replace nouns. And they also avoid repetition of the noun. And you have to match the pronoun with the gender and number of the replaced noun. Tom ist Arzt. Tom ist mein Bruder. But you already have mentioned Tom in Tom ist Arzt. So you can avoid the name, saying the name again, and you replace it with the pronoun. Tom is a boy, and the pronoun for a boy or a man or a masculine word is er. Er ist mein Bruder. Das Kind ist klein. Das Kind geht noch in den Kindergarten. We can replace das Kind with the pronoun es, like I told you before. Es geht noch in den Kindergarten. Sorry. Die Eltern arbeiten nicht. Die Eltern gehen in den Urlaub. We can replace here die Eltern, which is plural, and we replace it with sie. Sie gehen in den Urlaub. So let's continue with the possessive pronouns, die Possessivpronomen. But what are possessive pronouns? Like the name is saying, they show possession or ownership, and they have to match the pronoun, the noun, in gender and number. Exactly like the pronouns. So, for ich, I have mein or meine. For du, dein or deine. Er, sein, seine. Sie, ihr, ihre. Es, sein, seine. Wir, unser, unsere. Ihr, euer, eure. Sie, ihr, ihre. And sie, written with an upper letter, is again ihr, ihre. Why did I write the E with red? Because these are feminine words, or for feminine words, or for plural words. And keep in mind, these are just the nominative possessive pronouns. For the other cases, we have other endings. So let's see how they work. We take the first example of the pronouns, the personal pronouns we have learned before. So, Tom ist Arzt. Er ist mein Bruder. So I replaced Tom with the personal pronoun er because he's a boy. But how do I say this is his house? The house is das Haus in German, so it's neutral. This means you don't need an E at the end of the possessive pronoun. So which pronoun do we need here in this case when we talk about Tom or er? The possessive pronoun, the masculine possessive pronoun is sein. So this is his house would be das ist sein Haus. Another example. Hallo, ich bin Lisa. How do you say, this is my sister? Sister in German is die Schwester. It's red, so this means we have to add an E at the end of the possessive pronoun. So, how do you say my in German? Mein. Das ist meine Schwester. And now in this example, we have the formal you. Let's see. Sie sind Herr Müller. How do you say, are these your books? Books is plural, die Bücher. So again, we need an E at the end of the possessive pronoun. And the possessive pronoun for the formal you is ihr. Are these your books? Would sound. Sind das Ihre Bücher? That's it for now. See you in the next one.